Hi guys, what's up? I'm back and good afternoon guys. Today we're going to do a techie unboxing. 4 items guys. Ganyan lang pala, 4 items. 4 items ang aking unbox ngayon dahil naipon na sila at nahirapan kaming humanap ng time para makapag-unboxing, so this is the perfect time. Pinasuyo muna namin si baby kay daddy ni Mrs. Ano sila sa sala, nandito ako sa kwarto. So, let's start guys. Pasok, intro. Boom, boom, boom.
Jingle bell,
Guys, so this is a vlog for our VLOGMAS day 5. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start. First up, this is a extra battery for our camera that we are using because yung dalawang battery medyo bitin minsan. Sobrang dami naming kinukuha ng video pagka lumalakad kami or nagsishoot para hindi mabitin, lalo na pag sa outdoor. So ito, so let's start with the batteries guys. We bought this in Lazada. Mura lang guys, third party battery siya. Wow, naka-Tupperware lang guys yung ano. So we bought this from Lazada guys, mura lang. Ipa-flash na lang namin sa screen yung lahat ng prices nitong nitong mga items na binili namin. Aside from the other one we just bought this afternoon para sa aming PC. So let's unbox this. By the way guys, we bought the 3 items sa Lazada nung 11/11 nung nag-sale sila, medyo maka-discount ng konti kasi marami kaming sinabay din na items para kay baby and other else na kailangan namin. So ito yung gagawin lang natin ng unboxing video. So here you go guys. The LPE12 battery for our Canon EOS M50. Ito extra battery. So there you go guys, dalawa. Meron kaming isang original, meron isang third party na freebie, at ito pangatlo at pang-apat. By the way guys, yung battery na to is third party pero we're not sure if this is a original one, pero yung brand niya ay nakalagay Canon pati dun sa mismong battery. This LPE12 battery is 7.2 volts with 875 mAh Li-ion battery pack. So there you have it guys, our first item. Second item, para mas mapabilis ang aming editing on my side, kasi sa PC ako nag-edit, si Mrs. Mostly sa cellphone. So our second item we will unbox is the Kingston SSD 120GB. Kasi hindi pa naka-SSD yung PC ko. So ngayon, it's time to level up. Okay guys, we'll open it now. So connected pa rin to sa ating vlogging operation para mas makatulong. So here's how they pack the Kingston SSD 120GB A400 modem, 10 times faster. This is a 2.5 inches SATA Rev 3.0, 6GB per second. 6GB per second guys. So again, I will flash the prices on our screen guys para sa prices as we bought this from Lazada. Okay. I'm not sure if I'm going to open it now because I have to back up all my files my PC first before I transfer my operating system on this SSD. So there you go guys, our second item. Our third item guys, the G102 Logitech mouse. Binili ko to kasi mostly I will use this for editing also, but so we're back guys. Naubusan ng memory. So again, the G102. Mostly I will use this for playing games on my PC, especially in PUBG. I need a new one because nag-stick na yung mouse niya minsan pag ginagamit ko, so natatalo kami guys. Ito, G102. G102 has 8000 dpi, on-the-fly DPI shifting that lets you switch between up to 5 sensitivity settings, from pixel precise targeting to lightning fast maneuvers up to 8000 dpi. So let's open guys. Let's open it. Though this is a old model guys, pero ito tried and tested na sa mostly old gamers na naglalaro ng FPS games. Magandang gamitin siya. So I need to try it for myself also bago ko i-recommend sa inyo to. So again, 8000 dpi Logitech G102. Let's try to open this guys. So guys. And by the way guys, I believe yung RGB colors nito programmable siya. Ibig sabihin, pwede mo siyang palitan sa sa software niya on your PC kung anong gusto mong kulay. So there you have it guys. Logitech 102 Prodigy gaming mouse. So ganda siya, magaan, mahaba yung yung cable. Though hindi siya kamukha nung mouse ko ngayon na yung parang braided yung cable. Ito cable talagang normal lang. USB port siya. So mamaya after this shoot, gagamitin ko na rin siya. So okay, that's our third item guys. We'll move to the next one, which is the last one na connected rin sa ating vlogging operation guys. Ito malaking tulong to kasi dito kami makakapag-store ng maraming videos and files para sa aming vlogging chorba channels. Okay. Fourth and last item guys. Seagate HDD 2TB 7200 RPM para sa aking PC. So basically gagawin namin storage to sa lahat ng aming image and videos, and so para sa YouTube ni Mrs. Sumasabat kayo no. So this one I just bought this afternoon guys sa isang PC shop dito sa Macau. So I bought this for $440, 440 MOP. So 440 MOP. Let me compute how much is this for Philippine peso. 440 times, let's see, 6. This costs 2,640 Philippine peso. Again, this is 2TB HDD Seagate. Okay guys, later on also I will install this on my PC. So there you go guys, I will be unboxing this. typical packaging for an HDD. HDD. Of course, it's a little heavy compared to SSD. Seagate Barracuda 2TB HDD 7200 RPM. Shiny. So there you have it, guys. Seagate 2TB, Seagate Barracuda 2TB HDD. So there you have it, guys. That's all the items that we are going to unbox today. Extra battery, SSD for my PC, the Logitech G102 gaming mouse, and the extra hard disk drive for my PC also. So I guess that's for today, guys. Don't forget our live video this coming December 12 sa birthday ni Mrs. guys. I-draw namin online live yung winner nung giveaway ni Mrs. para sa kanyang birthday. So good luck to everyone, guys, that have joined. This is all for today, guys, and don't forget to share good vibes always. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, guys, see you on our next one.
Bye!